Watch how I use all these Ryobi products and this to build a custom collapsible laundry trolley for our small laundry. My husband often complains that my projects can take too long, so for this one, I've challenged myself to complete it in just a single battery charge. And that's it. How easy. And there's still plenty of battery left.